Okay, we're just going to jump right into this. I have got 1 pound of ground turkey in the bottom of this pot. I went ahead and I cooked this and I drained the fat off of it. And if you want to follow along with me, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of chili powder to this turkey burger and go ahead and scramble this into the meat. And we're going to cook this for maybe another 5 minutes. We want to season this meat really well. We are going to add 2 cans of mild chili beans, 1 can of light red kidney beans, and we are going to drain the liquid off of those kidney beans. Add 1 can of diced fire roasted tomatoes, 1 4-ounce can of green chilies, Now let's give this a stir, and your stovetop eye should be on low to medium. But we're not done yet. I'm going to add some more things. So first I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add 1 pinch of cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon. It just gives it this really unique flavor, and we love it. And I make chili all different types of ways. People add some different unusual things to chili, and this is just one of them. What do you guys add to your chili? Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of diced yellow onions. Let's give this a stir and turn that stovetop eye down to low. About a 2 setting on my stove. Let's put a lid on this, and I do leave a little crack there so the steam can get out. And we are going to let this cook on low for about 15 to 20 minutes and stirring occasionally. Let's give it the good old taste test. And let's see if we have enough chili powder. Now you can add as much or as little chili powder as you like, but we like ours pretty spicy. So I am going to add 2 more teaspoons of chili powder. So that is a total of 5 teaspoons of chili powder. Now I'm going to give it a stir, and we are going to do another taste test. And yes, I got a clean spoon for that. And this time it was perfect. Absolutely perfect. Then we're going to let this cook another 5 minutes. And voila, it's done. This was so good, especially today. It's been so cool in Tennessee.